The rustle of leaves beneath my feet, a gentle rhythm, soft and sweet. The whispering wind through golden trees, autumn sounds drift with the breeze. The world is calm, the skies are gray, a quiet song, the season plays. Each note a memory warm and bright, a fleeting tune in fading light. Autumn sounds a symphony, nature's voice in harmony. From rustling leaves to the winds of song, a peaceful tune where dreams come from. The crack of twigs, the call of crows, the distant stream that softly flows. A fireside crackle, the chills embrace. Autumn sounds fill every space. The melody of nature's grace, a fleeting echo time won't erase. A season's farewell, soft and kind, its music lingers in my mind. Sounds a symphony, nature's voice in harmony. From rustling leaves to the winds of dawn, a peaceful tune where dreams come from. Autumn sounds a symphony, nature's voice in harmony. From rustling leaves to the winds of dawn, a peaceful tune where dreams come from. Hear a fleeting song that draws you near. The rhythm fades as winter calls, but autumn's music stays with us all. Autumn sounds a symphony, nature's voice in harmony. From rustling leaves to the winds of dawn, a peaceful tune where dreams come from. Autumn sounds so soft, so true, a season's gift for me and you. Autumn sounds so soft, so true, a season's gift for me and you.